Pag titingnan natin or kapag babasahin natin ang The Great Controversy, makikita natin doon na the more the Christians, the more faith they have in Jesus, and the more they try to stand, not try, the more they stand in their faith, mas marami yung persecution na nararanasan nila. Pero and that is because of the or contrast sa buhay nila at sa buhay ng mga ibang Christians. Ngayon, sa buhay nila at sa buhay ng mundo. Ngayon, less na yung persecution na nasa natin, maybe because we are not living in contrast to the world. Ibig sabihin, we are living with hindi na nakikita sa atin yung distinction. Maring hindi na nakikita sa buhay natin yung pagkakaiba between a man of the world and a man of God. So, this is the time that we make an assessment. How are we living our lives? Do we live in the same path that Jesus lived? Or are we living in the path that Jesus lived, one foot, but the other foot is in the world? So, yun, it's something we should ponder about dahil nasa age na tayo ng lukewarmness. We're neither hot nor cold. So we're living here sa compromise, age of compromise. So even if we're living in the age of compromise, it is my desire that we here stand for what's right and live by the principles of the Bible.